Hello guys, don't worry, I'm not in the bush. I'm just on my way to Lidl to get a £10 grocery. I'm going to show you what £10 grocery looks like and we'll be unboxing it together. Are you new on my channel? Are you just seeing my face for the first time? Please don't make it your last. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share this video with your family and friends. Guys, okay, I won't say much about that.
Please scan an item. Please scan an item. Have you scanned all?
So guys, I'm done with the shopping now. We'll go home and then unbox and see what the 10-pound grocery looks like. I don't know this white powder on my face though. So guys, I'm back home now and it's time to unbox what we got from Lidl. I'm sure you enjoyed that short trip. So I'm going to be showing you everything we got for 10 pounds. I think I went overboard with like 11p, but it's not a problem. I'm still within that range. So this is the bag. I went with Aldi bag because I am not ready to buy bag. You know, I told you guys now, whenever you're going on shopping, get your bags so that you won't pay extra. I got this pizza. I don't know what it tastes like, but I'm going to try it here. Guys, I'm sorry you're not eating this. It's very nice. So I got lemon tea. I need this thing to focus. I got lemon tea. I got minced beef. Oats, because I'm just trying oats now and I'm enjoying it. Apples. Healthy eating. I got dried yeast because I'm making puff puff for you guys soon. Chips. Milk. Chopped tomatoes for my spaghetti bolognese. Plain flour for the puff puff when we eat 500 subscribers. And I got yogurt instead of ice cream. So all this for 10 pounds. Guys, I'm going to show you what it looks like. But I got a package from Amazon and I just feel like it will be nice for me to unbox it here. Why not if not? So I ordered a tripod from Amazon. What's in my head? And I'm going to be unboxing it here with you guys. Oh, sorry, my skincare product also came in. Guys, see, when I have a spotless face, we'll do giveaway, don't worry. So this is the tripod. And I know everybody knows this. I kind of feel like everybody knows this. Okay, it's a toner. I don't know why I'm struggling with it. Okay guys, we come to the end of the video. I'm going to show you what the grocery look like as a picture. Do not forget to like this video, also share with your friends and family. Please go back and watch my videos. I have a lot of them there for you guys. And also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you guys for watching till this time, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye bye.